How to add captions in Facebook Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add captions in Facebook Reels. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the plus icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu, you can just select Reel. And now here on the next page, you can choose the video that you want to upload. And now here, once you have selected the video, you can just tap on the arrow icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here on the next page at the top, you'll see the description box. Now there you can just tap on it and type your caption text, and this will appear under your reels. And now here, once you're done writing your captions and hashtag, you can just tap on share now. And that's it. That's how you can add captions in Facebook Reels. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.